Searching the Literature Online Database. In this video, you will learn how to find literary criticism about a work, how to find primary source material for a work, how to find information about authors, and how to find background information about an author or work. To get to the Literature Online Database, go to the library homepage at library.gsu.edu. Scroll down to the heading Databases by Name. Choose the highlighted letter L to get a list of databases that begin with the letter L. Scroll down toward the bottom of the list to find the Literature Online Database. Click on the highlighted title to open it. The Literature Online Database includes criticism, such as scholarly articles and books, the full text of primary texts, such as original literary works of poetry, drama, and prose, and reference works, such as encyclopedias, study guides, and biographies related to authors and literary works. Let's suppose we're looking for information about Edgar Allan Poe's poem, The Raven. We type that into the search box and then click on the magnifying glass icon to search. On our results page, materials are broken down into the categories Criticism, Primary Texts, Author Pages, and Reference Works. Notice that overall we have 522 items in our results list. Let's see what happens when we click Full Text. Notice that now we have 408 items in our results list. 279 of these are criticism. Let's click on the View Criticism Results link. Now we have a list of scholarly articles, books, and other materials related to Poe's The Raven. Let's look at the third item in the list. We click on the highlighted title to open it. Notice that the terms we used in our search are highlighted. The default display is full text in HTML format. To view the PDF, click the Full Text PDF link. Now we see the page exactly as it would appear if we were reading it in print. This includes page numbers, works cited, etc. Click on Abstract Details for more information. On this page we get a brief abstract or summary of the article, publication information, links to related articles and books, a link to download the PDF of the article, and a link to cite the article. Click on Cite to open this box. Notice that APA Style 6th edition is the default. Click on the arrow to the right of the box and scroll down for more citation styles. Choose MLA 8th edition to display that citation style. Click on the X in the upper right-hand corner to close the box. Back on our Articles Details page, we find some other tools. We have the ability to email the article information to ourselves, print the information, and an All Options button. In this box, we find the tools we've seen before, and also links to save to Google Drive, Google Classroom, and Microsoft OneDrive. Click the X in the upper right corner to close the box. Click Back to Results to go back to our results page. Now I'm going to click the X to the right of Criticism to go back to our main results page. Now let's look at some primary texts related to Poe's The Raven. Click on View Primary Text Results to see the complete list of items. Let's look at item number 6, which appears to be the text of the poem. On this page we can read the full text of The Raven. We also have links to related criticism and links to the PDF, how to cite the poem, and more. Back to Results takes us back to our results page. Click on the X to the right of Primary Texts to go back to our main results page. Under the category Author Pages, we see several authors listed. Let's click on Edgar Allan Poe to see what's available. On this page, we get some basic biographical information about Edgar Allan Poe. If we scroll down, we get links to Poe's most viewed primary texts, recent criticism of his works, information in reference works, links to videos, and information about authors from the same literary movements. Click on Back to Results to go back to our results page. The last category on our results page is for reference works, which includes encyclopedias, dictionaries, and study guides. These can be useful for finding background information about Poe and his works. Click on View Reference Works Results to see the complete list of relevant reference works in the Literature Online database. On this page, we have a list of articles from reference works. Let's look at the second one, Poe and Popular Culture, from the Cambridge Companion to Edgar Allan Poe. Again, we see that the terms we used in our original search are highlighted. We also get links to related items and the ability to save as PDF, cite, email, print, and so on. Need more help? Chat with us online at library.gsu.edu.